Hi, my name is John Kay, and I run a nonprofit company called Trees from the Heart. We are looking for compassionate, loving people like you who truly want to make a difference in the lives of the less fortunate in their communities. For a minimum donation of $10, a dozen delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies will be provided, and another dozen taken to a local shelter here in Santa Rosa, California. All profits will be donated to charity. Yes, these wonderful chocolate chip cookies will bring a smile to a child's face. However, the overarching plan of the company is the expansion of the business concept to other communities around the country. We want others to copy our concept and establish similar nonprofit companies in their communities. As a nonprofit, initial marketing will be through free internet avenues such as Facebook and Craigslist. As we grow, we plan to expand advertising to area newspapers and radio stations. Our target audience is everyone within the sound of our voice. Santa Rosa and other communities are rich with loving people simply looking for ways to serve. This is a wonderful way to bring communities together. We hope you will follow us, consider establishing a similar nonprofit company in your community.